You lose progress to perfecting, planning, and postponing. That leak costs promotions, launched products, and lost momentum. Fix it with a single neuroscience-backed routine that converts vague work into finished outcomes in 21 minutes and trains your brain to finish first. You will install a protocol that forces completion, preserves quality, and frees hours every week. Diagnose the leak in 10 seconds. Do you start tasks and switch away before finishing? Do you rewrite the same doc 3 times without sending it? Do you delay decisions until the last day and then panic push? If you answered yes to any, your brain is optimizing for reduced perceived risk, not output. The result is endless iteration and lost time. This protocol flips that balance by using short, urgency-triggered windows that change neuromodulators and make finishing easier than delaying. The mechanism is simple. Short, time-limited deadlines spike dopamine through perceived novelty and urgency. Dopamine increases initiation and clarity. A prior commitment reduces decision paralysis by increasing the social and cognitive cost of abandonment. A planned short execution followed by a rapid review window preserves quality without encouraging endless polishing. The protocol pairs physiological resets, a focused execution block, and a micro review with a rollback safety net. Install the Deadline Paradox protocol. It has 3 steps and a 4-step variant for collaborative work. Step 1 resets arousal. Step 2 executes a focused 21-minute sprint. Step 3 runs a 3-minute polish and commit. Each step has clear triggers, timers, and success cues. Step 1. Trigger. You recognize a stalled task or an unstarted priority. Action. Perform a 60-second breath and posture reset. Stand or sit tall. Inhale 4 seconds. Exhale 6 seconds. Shoulders relaxed, eyes slightly lowered. Count breaths silently. Timer 60 seconds. Mechanism. Controlled breathing reduces sympathetic drive and sharpens prefrontal control within moments. Success cue. Your heartbeat feels steadier and mental clutter lowers enough to state the single result you need. Do this now. Perform a 60-second breath and posture reset for 60 seconds to drop arousal and center attention. Step 2. Trigger. Immediately after the reset. Action. Run one 21-minute execution sprint. Define a single finishing goal in 1 sentence beginning with a verb. Set a visible timer for 21 minutes. Work with no editing beyond what is necessary to complete the deliverable. If you are writing, produce the first complete draft. If you are coding, produce the smallest shippable feature. If you are preparing a pitch, finish a 1-page version you can present. Timer 21 minutes. Mechanism. Short deadlines push dopamine, reduce perfection loops, and prioritize completion over infinite iteration. Success cue. You produce a deliverable complete enough to test, present, or ship. Do this now. Set a timer for 21 minutes and pursue one finishing goal for 21 minutes to force completion and create a testable deliverable. Step 3. Trigger. When the 21-minute timer ends. Action. Perform a 3-minute micro review and commit. Read or run the deliverable for quality errors that block usage. Fix only the top 2 blocking issues, then decide one of 2 outcomes: ship now or schedule a single follow-up sprint. Mark the deliverable as sent, deployed, or scheduled. Timer 3 minutes. Mechanism. Rapid triage reduces regret and locks the closure signal in your brain. Success cue. The item is either shipped or scheduled with a specific next step time. Do this now. Run a 3-minute micro review for 3 minutes to fix blocking issues and commit the deliverable. Optional safety net for high-stakes work. Add a 24-hour reversal window. After shipping, create a short rollback plan with explicit signals that justify reversal. This protects against catastrophic errors without derailing completion habits. Success cue. A 1-paragraph rollback plan exists in your notes. Do this now. Write a 1-paragraph rollback plan for 5 minutes to protect the finish while limiting endless hesitation. Collaborative variant. Trigger. Task requires other people's approval. Action sequence. Perform the 60-second reset. Run a 10-minute solo sprint to produce a proposal. Then present the proposal with a 48-hour explicit decision structure. Your presentation must include 1 recommended action, 1 alternate, and a 1-sentence consequence for no decision. Mechanism. Concise proposals reduce group simulation and force a deadline. Success cue. The group accepts the proposal, picks a path, or commits to the 48-hour default. Do this now. Write a 1-sentence recommended action and a 48-hour decision deadline for 10 minutes to compress group choice into clarity. 2 quick stress scenarios and how the protocol survives them. Scenario 1. You fear being judged for shipping imperfect work. Use the rollback window and a transparent note. Shipped to gather data. will iterate in 24 hours if needed. That communication lowers social risk while preserving momentum. Scenario 2. You are interrupted during a sprint. Stop the timer and record the exact stopping line. Resume the same sprint within 2 hours using a 10-minute restart sprint to regain flow. This prevents fragmented work from becoming new procrastination. Measurement and feedback. Use a compact daily scorecard. Line 1. Items shipped. Count deliverables you finished using the protocol. Line 2. Start latency. Average minutes from recognition to starting the protocol. Line 3. Rework rate. Percent of shipped items that required rollback within 24 hours. Track for 7 days. Target thresholds. Ship at least 5 protocol items per week. Reduce start latency by 50% and keep rework rate under 15%. These metrics are observable and actionable. Maintenance and scaling. For busy days, compress the protocol into a 30-second version. Take a 30-second breath reset, pick one finishing sentence in 30 seconds, and run a 10-minute sprint followed by a 1-minute commit. Use the compressed version when your day does not allow a full 21-minute block. For large projects, convert milestones into a series of 21-minute blocks and run the protocol daily until the milestone completes. Habit emerges when you repeat the full protocol 5 times across distinct tasks. Why this works long-term? The protocol ties 3 reliable mechanisms into a single loop. Calm lowers noise. A short execution window increases dopamine and reduces risk avoidance simulation. A rapid review with rollback preserves quality without inviting infinite edits. The basal ganglia learn the sequence and start favoring finishing routines over planning loops. Over weeks, you will find yourself starting faster and shipping more often. Quick checklist for immediate use. When a task stalls you: 1. Do the 60-second breath and posture reset. 2. Run a 21-minute sprint with 1 finishing sentence. 3. Perform a 3-minute micro review and shipper schedule. Optional: add a 24-hour rollback plan for high stakes. Each run must end with a visible cue, sent email, deployed commit, or a calendar entry. Micro assignments recap. Do this now. Perform a 60-second breath and posture reset for 60 seconds to drop arousal and center attention. Do this now. Set a timer for 21 minutes and pursue one finishing goal for 21 minutes to force completion and create a testable deliverable. Do this now. Run a 3-minute micro review for 3 minutes to fix blocking issues and commit the deliverable. Do this now. Write a 1-paragraph rollback plan for 5 minutes to protect the finish while limiting endless hesitation. Final measurement task. For the next 7 days, run the protocol on every stalled or high-value task. Each evening, record items shipped, start latency, and rework rate. After 7 days, compare to your baseline week. If you shipped 5 more items and start latency fell by half, the protocol works. If not, tighten timers by 20% and repeat to increase urgency. The deadline paradox protocol gives you a repeatable finish-first habit. It converts hesitation into a trained sequence your brain can execute automatically. That shift creates time, momentum, and outcomes you can measure. Build this habit and you win the rarest competitive advantage: reliable delivery under uncertainty. Subscribe to Success Code to collect the next deployable mental protocols. Each video adds another tool you can apply tomorrow to win time, influence, and results.